All right, check it out. So I just got this product, and it's a lock for your sliding door. So I'm gonna kind of show you what's up. I guess we're gonna clean this with alcohol so that Johnny can't reach it. All right. This is the lock. We're gonna have to dry that real fast. Hold on. Let's dry this up. Should be pretty simple. All right, so then we're going to peel the tape off of the back. The tape, peel it off. Okay, now it's pretty simple. I mean, right? We're just going to kind of stick it where the door is so that he cannot open it, right? I mean, it's that simple. Just gonna stick it straight as possible, right? Look at this, just like that. I'm a pretty good judge of straight. That's pretty straight, right? Kind of push it. Now if we, look at this, watch. So now it is literally on there. We should be able to open the door. Right? See it? Now if we hit it and Johnny comes over, he tries to open the door, that's it. It ain't going nowhere. That door is locked, kid. It's locked. Finished. Finito. Like that. It's just locked. All I gotta do is open it again. Little butterfly. Nice. Sweet. If you need one, it looks like they sent me about 4. So, and you can't even really see it. So if you have a kid that's trying to like break out of there at night, trying to break out of your house, it's perfect. It's just perfect. Sliding door lock installed under 3 minutes.